This is lesson 18 for Saxon 5, multiplying three factors and missing factors. Now remember the words factors are the numbers you times together in a multiplication problem. So when we're talking about three factors, talking about something like this, that then makes the product. Okay, so we're multiplying three factors to make a product, and then we are going to do missing factors. So when we're looking at the three factors to make a product, we are looking at something like this. 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So because it's all multiplication, we can do this a couple of ways. I can either just go straight from the left and read my way right, like when I read, or I can pick out numbers because it's all multiplication. I can pick out numbers and times those ones first because I know they're easier to do. For example, I know timesing by 5 is easy. So I could start by doing 3 times 5 and making 15, and then doing 15 multiplied by the 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 90. There we are. Okay, I can do it that way. Just make sure you use all the numbers. I could have also done it. So remember our answer is 90. I could have also done it like this. If I want to leave the 5 for the very end because I know multiplying by 5 is easier for me, I can do 6 times 3, which gives me 18, and then times 18 by 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Put the 0, carry the 4. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 4 plus 4 is 9. And you still get 90. I can only do this because it's all multiplication. If I had something else in there, I would have to do it a certain way. But because it is all multiplication, I can do it like this. Let's take a look at missing numbers. So when you're missing a number, it might be something like W multiplied by 3 equals 18. Now what I want to do is I want to do the inverse, because if I were to change this into another multiplication fact, I would just get 3 times W equals 18, and that doesn't really work. So if I make a division fact from this, I start with 18 and I divide it. I could divide it by W, but I want the W in the after the equal sign. So I'm going to divide it by 3 to make W. So this is what I'm going to do. 18 divided by 3 equals W. So let's do 18 divided by 3. Now I can use my multiplications chart here and find out what times 3 equals 18 is a really good thing to do. If you know your multiplications tables, you can do this on your own. For example, I know this is 6. 3 times 6 equals 18, which means my W equals 6. Okay, that is missing numbers for multiplication. You always use division to find your missing number for multiplication because division is the inverse or the opposite. That is lesson 18, multiplying three factors and missing factors.